Welcome back! So today, mag-unbox tayo ng January Glambox. Na-receive ko tong box ko last Wednesday and hindi ko pa talaga siya na-open. 5th birthday nila and naka-receive ako actually ng invitation. Yeah, first week ng January yon dapat sasama ko. Kaya lang, medyo parang nahihiya akong mag-attend. So, ayun, hindi na ako nakapunta. Let's start sa pag-open ng box. So, ganito nga yung box niya. May ganitong ganap. Ayan. Na-open na natin. Again, meron siyang mga voucher cards. May nakalagay na 5th birthday. And dito din nakalagay yung kung ano yung mga laman ng box. Ayan. So, may idea na kung ano yung laman ng box. Okay, next card is from Caudalie. It's a soothing hydration powered by the grape. Next one is complimentary 45 minutes personal training session from Sofitel Hotel and Resorts. So, second to the last card, itong free makeover from Debbie Makeup. Yeah. Saan ba merong Debbie Makeup? Centerpoint and Lifestyle. So, last card is from xoxo, Contemporary Women's Clothing. Ayan, 250 off kapag mag-purchase ka sa kanila. Minimum of 500 spend. Ayan. Ganito yung itsura ng box. Isa-isahin natin. From Caudalie, ito yung moisturizing sorbet nila. And, yeah, i-open natin. It is for sensitive skin. So, para lang siya sa face and neck. Sabi dito, it's a... Is it a 40 ml? Yeah, it's a full size and it's 143 sa stores. Meron ito sa Sephora and Benzina Pharmacy. Next is this Debbie All-in-One Mascara. So, this one is a full size and ganito yung applicator, yung brush. Is 41 dirhams. Meron ito sa Centerpoint and Lifestyle. And next product is from Rimmel. Ito na yung pang third. So, ang shade nito is Run the Show 800. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Ooh! First time ko magkaroon ng ganitong shade, guys. Look at that. So, I don't think na magagamit ko ba to. Masyadong bold. So, this one naman is 47 dirhams. You can get this sa Boots, Carrefour, or Max, or Lifestyle. Okay, next one is this Caudalie mask. Moisturizing mask. Ayan, it's a sample size and ang full size nito is 138 dirhams. Again, available sa Sephora and Benzina Pharmacies. So, it's a mask. Pwede mo siyang gamitin for 15 minutes or you can leave it on all night. Another one from Caudalie. Ito naman is Vinosaur's SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. Ang price is 178 dirhams, guys, yung full size nito. And again, available sa Sephora and Benzina Pharmacies. The next product is from Gosh. Nail polish. Tamang-tama. Makakapag-nail polish ako. Mga glitter-glitter. Saktong-sakto. Ang shade is 05 Frosted Rose. Ayan. 20 dirhams sa Gosh. Available sa Lifestyle, Empora Sharjah, Marina Pharmacy, and Boots Pharmacy. So, for the month of January, it contains 6 products. Again, thank you sa panonood. If you're interested na mag-subscribe, ilalagay ko yung link sa description box. And maraming salamat sa panonood and I'll see you next time. Bye!